Paratrooper knife. It's like a during the Second World War. It was kind of boot knife, or I don't know where people keep it. Works like this: you open the latch, pull like this, and here we go. Very small. Probably you can put it like in the pocket or boot or bag. I don't know. Also called as pantograph knife because it looks like pantograph, which people use for making like letters or copy some stuff for drawing. And this how you close it. And again, this is how small is it. This is comparing to German bayonet, the same period, Second World War.